In this video, we will provide a business-level understanding of the 4 key components of blockchain. These 4 components are distributed ledger, smart contracts, consensus, and privacy. We have already talked about a distributed or shared ledger. This is an append-only system of record which is shared across the entire blockchain network, and everybody participating in the blockchain network has an exact, authentic replica of the distributed ledger. We ensure the privacy of all the transactions in the shared ledger by making sure that the transactions are signed. Only those who need to know will know the identity of the transacting parties by the sharing of public keys. So each transaction is ownable, it is secure, it is authenticated, and it is verifiable. We know that all of the transactions and the blocks that make up a ledger have been arrived at through a consensus mechanism that involved all of the parties in the network. So all of the parties agreed that every piece of data in the distributed ledger is correct, it's authentic, and it's the true state of data. The last component of the blockchain are smart contracts. Smart contracts codify the terms of the transaction. So when Candace sold her comic to Marco, the terms by which Candace can spend the money that Marco has given her are codified. And only when those terms are met will Candace be able to spend the money. These terms could include a confirmation that Candace sent the comic or Marco received the comic. Similarly, Marco will only be able to give that money to Candace that can be verified that Marco has the rights to spend. These terms are built into every transaction in the blockchain and represent the smart contract that creates transparency among everything that is happening on the blockchain. So our 4 key concepts in a blockchain are the shared ledger, the privacy of every transaction in every block of the shared ledger, the consensus mechanism that ensures that every party in the network has the authentic, true state of the data, and the smart contracts that ensure that the terms of every transaction are fulfilled before that transaction can be settled. All of this is done without the involvement of any centralized third party. This is what makes blockchain really, really powerful and opens up the possibility of many, many business applications.